Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to make a backup of your game on Steam or install any other game from a backup onto your Steam. Let's get started. First up, open up Steam and go to the top left corner. Go to the top left corner and click on Steam. Now you go down and select backup and restore games. Now this tab will open up and it will give you two options: backup currently installed programs or restore a previous backup. First, let us make a backup. So in order to make a backup, you select the above option, that is backup currently installed programs, and click on next. After you click on next, this tab will open up and it will show you all the games that are installed on your Steam. I only have Counter-Strike Global Offensive right now, and hence it is only showing this. So for the sake of making this video, I will select this game and make a backup of this. So just select the game which you want. Okay, in my case it's this, and then click on next. After you click on next, the destination tab will open up and you need to specify where you want the backup to be made. You can keep it in the Steam backups folder, that is the default one, or you can browse and keep it in any other places. For let's say I want to keep it in any other place, for example F, yes, and in my movies folder. So just select the folder which you want and click on next. So now this is the destination. Okay, you need to keep this in your mind for future purposes. If you want to share the backup or reinstall it or for any other purposes, and then click on next. Again click on next, as this is just a name. You can change it or keep it as it is. Again click on next, and now this process will start, and after this finishes your backup will be complete. It usually takes around 20 minutes, like that. First it will show you a long time, but that is not the time that will actually be taken. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, I've already made a backup, so I can just skip this process. I'll just skip cancel it. Okay, that was the final step. If so, after that finishes, a backup will already be made. Okay, so I've made a backup in my E folder and program files folder, and this is the backup that I made previously. So this is not the actual backup that we made just now. I've done this beforehand, so for making this video easy for me, so just open this, and this is the backup. It will be given names such as this one, this two. Okay, so just this entire thing is a backup. So now your backup has been made. It's complete. It's the same for any other game. Now for the second part, how to reinstall a backup. Okay, how to reinstall a game from a backup. Just again the same thing. Open up Steam and go to the top left corner and click on Steam, and again go down and click on select backup and restore games. Now we want to restore a game. Okay, we do not want to make a backup, so we'll select the other option, restore a previous backup. Select it and then click on next. Now the destination, if you remember, you need to remember where you kept it. So I have kept it, browse, say browse. Okay, one more thing, I already have Counter-Strike Global Offensive installed in my computer, so that's gonna give some errors if I try to install Counter-Strike Global Offensive. So for the sake of making this video, I'll install another game which I've already made a backup of. Okay, so I'll just again the same process, restore a previous backup, next, and then browse. So okay, you need to remember where you kept the backup. In my case it is E, program files. Okay, so I've made this backup previously, but since I have Counter-Strike already installed, it will give errors, so I'll install another game, that is Dota 2. Select it and then click on next. After you click on next, it will show you this tab, and it is, if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you just check on this box. If you want a start menu shortcut, you can check on this box. If you don't want either of the above, so just keep it as it is and then click on next. After you click on next, it will say preparing Dota 2 files for install, and will again take around depending on the size, it will take a certain amount of time, and then after that it will search for updates if you do not have the latest version, and After that, your backup is complete and the game is ready to be played on your Steam. So this is how you can reinstall a backup and make a backup of any of your games on Steam. If you have any questions, let me know. Feel free to comment, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.